When a cell has stalled DNA replication for, which checkpoint should be predominantly activated? Option A, mitotic checkpoint. This is incorrect because this checkpoint ensures proper chromosome alignment and spindle attachment during mitosis. Option B, both G2M and M checkpoint. Now, while G2M checkpoint is important for monitoring DNA damage or incomplete replication, but the M checkpoint specifically governs mitosis. Hence, it is incorrect. Option C, G1S. Now, the G1S checkpoint ensures that the cell has all the necessary components and undamaged DNA to begin DNA replication. Now, if a replication fork stalls, the cell cycle will predominantly activate the G1S checkpoint to prevent further progression into S phase until the issue is resolved. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, G2M. This is also incorrect because this checkpoint is mainly activated when the DNA is damaged or incomplete replication occurs at the end of the S phase or during G2.